The Furrion Arctic 10 cubic foot French door refrigerator is a 12-volt compressor-driven unit designed to maintain temperatures in both the fridge and freezer compartments. It achieves this through the use of internal fans and ductwork that circulate cool air between the two compartments. This model is equipped with a power board that monitors key components during operation. If an issue arises with one of these components, the system triggers an error code. The EF error code indicates a fan failure in the freezer compartment. You'll know this error is active if the digital display shows EF. You may also notice a few other symptoms, such as the refrigerator compartment is cooling irregularly or not at all, while the freezer compartment continues to cool normally. Frost buildup is visible in the freezer. Condensation or ice is present on the back panel of the refrigerator compartment, and there is little to no airflow coming from the air inlet inside the fridge compartment. The most common cause of the EF error is ice buildup on the internal components, particularly around the freezer duct fan. While ice should remain solid in the freezer, excess moisture inside the compartments can freeze on critical parts, causing the fan to stop working properly. The Furrion Arctic refrigerator has an automatic defrost function, but in certain conditions, it may struggle to keep up. Some common factors that contribute to ice buildup are high humidity climates. Moist air can enter the fridge when the door is frequently opened or if it's left open for extended periods. Excess moisture in compartments. Uncovered or warm food placed in the fridge can release moisture, which then freezes on internal components. Defrost system failure. If the defrost heating element is damaged, it may be unable to melt frost off the refrigerant coils, leading to ice buildup. Damaged door seals. Worn or cracked gaskets can allow warm, moist air to enter the compartments. A faulty frost sensor. A malfunctioning sensor can cause the defrost cycle to work improperly. And finally, temperature settings are set too low. Setting the fridge or freezer too cold can contribute to excess frost buildup. Step 1. Inspect the refrigerator for ice or frost buildup. Start by visually inspecting both compartments. If you notice moisture, ice, or frost inside, it's likely the same buildup is occurring inside the freezer duct assembly, where the fan is located. Step 2, perform a manual defrost. Manually defrosting the refrigerator can often clear the EF error code. Turn off the refrigerator by unplugging it or switching off the power. Leave the doors open for several hours to let the ice melt naturally. Use paper towels or a dry cloth to remove excess moisture. A fan can help speed up the drying process. Once both compartments are completely dry, power the refrigerator back on. Keep in mind that removing the moisture addresses the symptom, not the root cause. If the error code is cleared after manually defrosting, there is a possibility of the ice buildup reoccurring if there is an underlying issue. Step 3, inspect the fan and wiring. If manually defrosting doesn't clear the error code, the next step is to inspect and test the fan and wiring connections. Remove the freezer drawer, unscrew and remove the freezer air duct cover at the back of the compartment. You'll see 2 wire harnesses connected to the duct assembly. One is for the freezer sensor, the other is for the fan. Verify the wire harnesses are securely connected and undamaged. Step 4, test the fan operation. If everything looks fine visually, it's time to test the fan to determine if it needs replacement. Disconnect the duct assembly and remove the fan. Connect the fan to an alternative power supply to see if it spins. If the fan doesn't work with direct power, the freezer duct assembly needs to be replaced. If the fan works, the issue is likely with the wiring or power board. Disconnect the harness at the power board. Place a wire between the harness connections to the fan to close the circuit. Then use a multimeter to test the wire harness connection at the power board and verify continuity of the harness to the fan. If there is continuity, the power board is the culprit. If there is no continuity, the internal wiring is damaged. By following these steps, you'll be able to troubleshoot and fix the EF error code on your Furrion Arctic refrigerator.